goes into people she's interested in for their well-being, and she has shown her great interest in getting girls to perform as performance athletes. This interest in other people she started using very much for the girls in the clubs she worked in. In the association we took interest in that, and we associated her with some projects for girls, where the main objective was to get the girls to perform and to express themselves and feel comfortable about being in a performance environment. So she was a leader of a project where she took badminton players out to boxing and wall climbing, and also to karate and so on. And then out of that they spoke about how to express themselves in an aggressive manner and be on their own and all that. So that was very interesting for the girls, and Kirsten contributed in a very positive way.
Kirsten is a very sweet person, and she has a lot of good energy. And she's lovable and very serious about her work, and I like to work with her. She have a lot of tools that I can work with, both outside court but also on the court. And she have a lot of experience from herself that I can learn from. I want to say thank you for the work we have together, and wish you the best of luck in the future.
I say thank you for your assistance, and I hope we also in the future would keep working together, because I take great interest in that.